our exhibit entitled Life's a Journey. Before we start, we have some rules and regulations that we have to follow. First, do not touch any of the dioramas. Second, please listen to our tour guide. And third, do not tell anyone what you're about to see inside this exhibit. So come on, follow me. The story of Chosen is entitled A Sound of Thunder. Since you're informed of the rules, I will now call our tour guide. Fine. Wait.
My name is Travis, and let me tell you the story of my friend. Come, follow me. His name is Eccles. He was a very rich hunter, and he wanted to hunt the Tyrannosaurus Rex, also known as the T-Rex. One day, he came to a company named the Time Safari Incorporated. Safari is to any year in the past. You name the animal, we take you there, you shoot it. Eccles paid $10,000 just to hunt the Tyrannosaurus Rex. But he's not alone. He's with me, and by the way, here's my friends. His name, Lesperance, Billings, and Kramer. And now, they're they eat people. As we are preparing for the hunt, we talked about the American election. Eccles was so thankful that Keith won and not Buster. By the way, the story takes place in the year 2055 where time traveling is possible. Now to continue the story, we need to time travel. Come, follow me inside this time machine. And left. Toot, toot, toot. Remember, we're back in the dinosaur age. I indicated a path and you're not supposed to touch anything, or the future will change. When we came, we waited and waited and waited until we heard something. It was a T-Rex that roared very loudly. We shot our rifles against the T-Rex. Finally, we were able to kill the T-Rex. I told Eccles to get the bullets because that can be the change or effect in the near future. But Eccles accidentally stepped on one. But he acknowledged it. No, we can stay no longer in this place. Come on, let's go back in the time machine. T-Rex might appear. Toot, toot, toot. We're back in the present. Come. When we came back, everything has changed. Even the poster, the language, it changed. We heard that Dusher win and not Keith. Finally, Eccles noticed the dead butterfly in his shoes. He was so sad that even that small butterfly can change the future. Because my anger, I aimed my rifle against Eccles, and there was a sound of thunder. Come, follow me, let me tell you the lesson. The lesson of the story is that we should be careful with our decisions, because even our smallest decisions can change and affect our lives.